Hello learners, welcome to lecture 10, Enhancing Information Retrieval with ChatGPT, Practical Examples for Improved Project Management. So in this lecture, we will cover how in project management we can quickly, efficiently retrieve accurate information very quickly. Whether you are searching for the latest project documents, accessing key metrics, or summarizing key meeting notes, having the right information for your fingertips can significantly improve decision making and project outcomes. So ChatGPT and advanced AI language can play a vital role enhancing information retrieval, streamlining the workflows, and boosting team productivity. This lecture we will cover how it can improve the access for project information. Let's check why efficient information retrieval is crucial. Efficient information retrieval is essential in project management for different reasons, like time savings, improved decision making, enhanced productivity. So how ChatGPT can enhance the information retrieval here? Like for this case, ChatGPT can enhance information by retrieval by interpreting natural language queries. ChatGPT can understand and respond to natural language queries, making it easier for searching information without the need for complex search terms. Automating searches. ChatGPT can automate process of searching through large data sets of documents. Summarizing complex documents information. ChatGPT can condense lengthy documents into key points, making it easier to grasp essential information. Integrating with project tools. ChatGPT can be integrated with project management tools like Jira, Trello, or Asana, streamlining information access and retrieval. We will go through some of the example here, like example 1. In example 1, we see retrieving project documentation. One of the common tasks in project management is retrieving specific documents or sections within a document. Instead of manually searching through a lengthy project plan or report, you can use ChatGPT to locate the information you need quickly. Scenario, like you need to find the latest project timeline within the project plan document. So input prompts can be given, like find the latest project timeline in the project plan document. ChatGPT will look at the relevant section and even provide a direct link or summary of the timeline, saving your time and effort. So I can give the prompt here, like so I copy the text, then I go to ChatGPT window and give a prompt here. Let's see what is the outcome. Yes, it is. It mentioned that directly. Let's see what after the output we will go through the response what it generates. It is generating. Okay, just I go through what it mentioned here, but it's an idea that how can you give the prompt here. It mentions I can directly access or retrieve specific documents or project plans. However, I can guide you on how to find the latest project timeline in our project plan document. So it gives some guideline. So what is the some steps we need to follow? Latest project timeline in the project plan document. For example, open the project plan document, navigate to the location where the project plan is stored, like shared drive or project management tool or document management system. Open the document using appropriate application like the Microsoft Word, Google Docs, PDF reader. Then use the table of contents and search your keyword. Then you can mention your keyword like timeline or schedule and navigate to the timeline section. Check for updates, revision, consult attachments, use project management software if applicable, contact the project manager. So in this way we can get the information how to retrieve the timeline in project plan. Some idea response from ChatGPT. Let's check example 2, accessing key project metrics. Accessing up-to-date project metrics such as budget usage or task completion rates is crucial for monitoring progress and making informed decisions. So ChatGPT can streamline this process by pulling the latest data from project management tools or database. So scenario like you can check the current budget status for a specific project. So you can give the prompt which is shown here. So let's check our ChatGPT window here. So I am giving the prompt like show me the current budget status for the marketing campaign. Let's see what is the outcome it generates. So it is mentioned it like it cannot directly access documents, but it can give some guideline. Let's see what is the guideline it's generating. Like access the budget tracking document or tool, locate where the marketing campaign budget is located. So this could be like spreadsheet, Excel, or financial tracking tool like QuickBooks, or a project management tool like Asana or Trello. So you can open the document and then navigate to the budget overview section. And in the budget overview, financial summary or expense tracking. Then you can check review key budget metrics, allocated budget, spend to date, remaining budget, variance, and then breakdown of expenses, use filtering and sorting options if available. Then export or share the budget status, check for notes or comments, consult with finance team or project manager. A typical budget status summary structure, it is shown a template like the category, allocated budget, spend to date, remaining budget, variance, comments. So you can see that advertising, content creation, influencer marketing, tools and software, total budget. This is the structure. Let's go to the lecture again. Then you can show the example 3 here, like summarizing the keynote, key points and action items can be time consuming. So ChatGPT can help us by summarizing meeting notes in actionable summaries. So you can give the commands here, prompt like here, copy the command here and just give the output. Let's see what is the outcome. So this is a good exercise, comprehensive exercise. So you can get idea what prompt you can give, like summary of key decision from the last project meeting, decision 1, and then decision 2, decision topic, action items, rationale, impact, summary, decision 3, additional notes and decisions, action items, overview, task 1, task 2, how to use this summary, how can you share this with stakeholders, follow up. So this is a good output, you can get this information. Let's check the other examples here, like finding answers through FAQ, scenario like how the scope changes are handled in the project. So if we give this prompt here, how do we handle scope changes in the project, and see the output. How let's see what is the outcome. So yes, it is giving the output like a scope change management process. It's a good way you can understand how to scope change request is there and what is the initiation, then impact assessment, initial review, impact analysis, change review and approval, like change control board you need to give decision making, implementation planning, execution and monitoring, documentation and tracking, review and closeout, And best practices for handling scope changes, like define clear scope, set up a change control board, communicate effectively, monitor for scope creep, use a change log, and then benefits of a structured scope change process, like risk mitigation, resource management, stakeholder alignment, project success. So in this way, you can get a good idea, response, scope change process. Let's check other examples here, like example 5, automating status updates. Keeping stakeholders informed with real-time updates is crucial, but compiling these updates manually can be tedious. ChatGPT can automate the process by generating status updates based on the latest project data. The scenario, like you need to provide a status update on all ongoing tasks. So the solution might be, you can ask ChatGPT, provide a status update on all ongoing tasks. So ChatGPT will compile a concise report that includes task progress, any issues, and the next steps. So let's give the prompt here, and let's see what is the outcome. I'm going to the ChatGPT window. Still it not generate the required text. So I'm going to ChatGPT window, and let's see what is the outcome. It is generating the output, like the what is the template, summary of ongoing tasks, right? Task 1, it's still generating. Task 2, task 3, task 4, task 5, detailed status for key tools like task 1, task name, assignee, status in progress, progress 75%, comments, task 2. So it's an example it is generating, like task 3, task 4, completed, sound the case, completed, task 5, upcoming tasks, like task 6, task 7, task 8, key issues and risks, overall project status, on track, how many tasks on track, next steps, action items. So it is generating. Let's see other cases. So we will go through some points, like integrating ChatGPT with project tools. So to maximize benefits of ChatGPT, you can integrate it with your existing project management tools. So this integration allows ChatGPT to pull information directly from platforms like Jira, Trello, or Asana. So if we give the how can you pull tasks directly from Jira by setting up a prompt. So let's see what is the outcome it generates. I'm going to the ChatGPT window and giving the output, response. But he gives idea like how to retrieve the latest task update from Jira. So you need to log in your Jira, open your web browser and navigate to your Jira instance URL, then log in with user and password, then navigate to the project dashboard, and then view the active board, Scrum or Kanban. For Scrum projects, go to the active sprint to see the current tasks. For Kanban projects, go to the Kanban board to view tasks in different columns, to do or progress, done. In this way you can go. So check for the latest task updates, like on the board, tasks issue are visually represented, so you can see the status of each task. Task status, assignee, progress, and then use the detailed updates. And it mentioned that use Jira query language or JQL. So here you need to use Jira query language JQL to find the latest update. Here you see in the ChatGPT window. Then you can view the activity stream. set up dashboards for real-time updates, export task updates if required. You need to share or document for the latest updates and use the export option in the issues section. Export the list of issues and their updates in the form like CSV, Excel or PDF, and set up notifications and subscription. So to update with the latest changes, set up email notification or subscription to a specific filters. So in this way you can get the output. Let's see the other examples. So best practices here for using ChatGPT in information retrieval. Some of the best practices we need to follow, like clear prompt and specific queries. So the more specific your queries, the more accurate the results will be. Provide clear instructions to ChatGPT to ensure you get the information you need. Regularly update data source. So ensure that the data sources ChatGPT will pulls from are always up to date. So this will help the accuracy and relevance of the information retrieved. Combine ChatGPT with human review. Train your teams. So common challenges, just we will discuss. Some of the challenges you need to consider, like interpreting broad queries. If ChatGPT struggles with broad or vague queries, refine your prompts to be more specific and detailed. So this will help ChatGPT to provide more accurate results. Dealing with inaccurate or outdated data. So ensure that ChatGPT is connected to the latest data sources. Regularly update these sources to avoid pulling outdated information. Avoiding over reliance on automation. So while ChatGPT can automate many tasks, but it is important to maintain human oversight, especially whether information they use. This is case. So in this way, we are going to conclude on this lecture 10, where we understand that ChatGPT offers a range of capabilities that can significantly enhance information retrieval in project management. So from retrieving specific documents and accessing key metrics to summarizing meeting notes and automating status updates, ChatGPT can streamline your workflows and improve team productivity. By integrating ChatGPT with your existing tools and following best practices, you can ensure that your team always has quick and easy access to the information they need. So as you continue to explore the capabilities of ChatGPT, you will find it will be a valuable asset in various aspects of project management. By leveraging its strength and information retrieval, so you can improve decision making, reduce time spent searching for information, and ultimately contribute to the success of your projects. Thanks for joining in this lecture 10, information retrieval using ChatGPT. I hope you enjoy the lecture and what I showed in the ChatGPT demo for different examples and some guidelines you receive from ChatGPT. So this will help to streamline different processes, and in future we will focus on the communication part. So please stay tuned in the lecture so that we can go this learning journey a smooth journey. Thanks everyone.